This isn't just a home, it's the most expensive floating masterpiece ever built. What if your house cost more than a private island? What if it didn't just float, but ruled the ocean like a palace of glass and light? Imagine living inside a $200 million futuristic sanctuary, equipped with AI chefs, underwater bedrooms, and a rooftop that turns into a private sky garden. This is no ordinary home, this is the most expensive floating home ever built. In a world where sea levels continue to rise and land grows scarce, the wealthy are no longer investing in mere houses, they're investing in survival itself. Traditional mansions, no matter how grand, collapse when storms strike. Coastal villas, no matter how strong, cannot outlast the relentless power of the ocean. But here, something extraordinary has emerged. Wealth and vision have given birth to more than a home, it's a floating fortress. A seamless fusion of luxury, resilience, and technology, designed not to resist nature but to coexist with it. Every detail serves a purpose. Self-stabilizing architecture keeps the structure level in rough waters. AI systems predict weather before it arrives, shifting position to safety. Solar and water systems ensure independence. This isn't just property, it's a sanctuary. A new kind of status symbol where opulence meets survival, and the future of living is carved upon the sea. As you approach, the entrance feels unreal. A glowing bridge floats just above the water, lighting your path like a portal to another world. Crystal-infused glass doors rise silently, responding to your presence, not touch, as though the home already knows you. Stepping inside doesn't feel like entering a house. It feels like crossing into a dream designed for the world's elite. The living spaces are alive. Walls shift their colors with your mood. Transparent panels dissolve into nothing, opening endless views of sea and sky. An invisible AI curates your surroundings, music, temperature, even scent, perfectly tuned to your state of mind. The kitchen is pure revolution. Robotic chefs craft meals with precision while AI nutritionists create menus built for your body's needs. Vertical gardens grow herbs and greens, watered by the ocean itself. Your fridge isn't stocked, it's alive, regenerating food daily. Upstairs, the bedroom is where impossible becomes reality. Glass fades with a thought, and the ceiling transforms into galaxies or deep-sea calm. With a whisper, the room gently lowers beneath the water, where bioluminescent fish drift past your windows. The ocean becomes your lullaby. Even the bathroom redefines luxury, purified water, stress-sensing aromas, AI wellness systems turning every shower into renewal. This is not a home. This is a living organism. A sanctuary built not against nature, but in harmony with it. The living room stretches wider than most city apartments, designed not just for space, but for spectacle. With a single word, its glass walls dissolve, leaving nothing between you and the endless horizon. Sunset floods the room in gold as AI-controlled lighting shifts to mirror the sky. Holographic entertainment hovers mid-air, transforming the space from a private retreat into a futuristic stage. Every chair and surface adapts to your body's comfort, learning your posture, easing your muscles. Here, gatherings aren't ordinary. Imagine hosting a party where the ocean itself becomes your backdrop. Music flows seamlessly from invisible speakers, while the floor gently vibrates with the rhythm, syncing with the heartbeat of the waves below. Guests wander between reality and illusion as walls project living artworks, coral reefs, galaxies, or even memories of past nights. This isn't just a living room. It's a gateway to luxury, to connection, to the future itself. This isn't a kitchen, it's a culinary kingdom where technology and nature create dining beyond imagination. Robotic chefs glide in silence, slicing, stirring, and plating with flawless precision, crafting meals worthy of the world's finest restaurants. Every ingredient is alive, grown in vertical hydro gardens nourished by purified ocean water, harvested at peak freshness moments before reaching your plate. Even the air is designed to tempt you, carrying the scents of herbs, spices, and freshly baked bread. Counters clean themselves in seconds, while self-polishing plates return gleaming after every use. No clutter. No effort. Just seamless perfection. An AI nutritionist studies your body's needs daily, tailoring meals for energy, longevity, and balance, ensuring indulgence and health walk hand in hand. Imagine dining every night as if Michelin-starred chefs lived under your roof. Here, food isn't just served. It's curated, personalized, transformed into an experience you'll never forget. The Master Suite is pure fantasy, an escape where luxury meets the impossible. At a single thought, smart glass shifts from wide-open ocean views to complete privacy, wrapping you in silence. The bed, synced with your heartbeat, senses every breath, adjusting its softness, warmth, or coolness as you drift into sleep. Above, the ceiling transforms into an endless sky of stars or the tranquil depths of the ocean, bringing the universe to your room. But the true wonder lies below. With a slow, graceful descent, the suite transforms into a private underwater chamber. Here, glowing sea life drifts past your windows, bioluminescent creatures painting your dreams with light. The rhythm of the waves becomes your lullaby, the ocean itself your companion. This isn't a bedroom, it's an experience no price tag can define. A sanctuary where technology, nature, and imagination merge to create nights you'll never want to end. The bathroom is more than a room, it's a futuristic spa temple, designed to heal as much as it dazzles. Gold-veined marble glows softly beneath your feet, while streams of self-purifying water cascade endlessly, never wasted, always renewed. From hidden vents, gentle waves of aromatherapy shift with your body's rhythm, lavender when you need calm, citrus when you need energy. AA quietly monitors your health in real time, adjusting steam, light, and even sound to restore balance. Every shower becomes a ritual, every bath a rebirth. This is where luxury and technology merge into pure peace. But what if your walls could unfold into a grand theater for 200 guests? What if your rooftop became a launch pad, sending drones to deliver anything, anywhere? And what if your home could sail itself, gliding across oceans like a luxury liner, while you sleep in comfort? This isn't imagination, it's the future of living, where your house is no longer just shelter, it's freedom on water. And here it rises, a palace free from land, untamed by storms, unbowed by the ocean. This isn't just the most expensive floating home ever built, it's a living symbol. A fortress of wealth, yes, but also a beacon of tomorrow. A sanctuary where survival meets elegance, where cutting-edge technology dances with beauty, and where unimaginable luxury flows like water. It is not just a house, it's the redefinition of living, the future carved into the waves. You've just stepped inside the most expensive floating home on Earth, but this is only the beginning. Imagine homes not only on water, but in the sky, in space, even on worlds beyond our own. The future of living is unfolding faster than ever, and you've only had a glimpse. If this vision amazed you, don't stop here, like, share, and subscribe, and join us as we uncover the next evolution of tomorrow's homes.